If you want to start using the paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 PRO yearly to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Framer Motion with React. First, make sure you download this Node.js. So if you haven't downloaded yet the Node.js, just search it to Google and click the download Node.js and finish the downloading process. So on with the installation process. Once the installation complete, go to your Visual Studio Code and go to Terminal. Now create a React project using Terminal. So a lot of you may face this kind of error. You can create a React project using the command prompt. Just search it to your Windows and then make it administrator and input this command prompt code. Now it will take a lot of time to create this React project, so you'll need to wait patiently. So once the process is done, the React development server will automatically open once you input the npm start after the process, and then it will pop this and click the allow, and on your default browser it will automatically show the React server. And now you successfully create a React project and successfully installed the Node.js. Now let's begin installing the Framer. Same process if you found or face an error when installing the command prompt using the terminal from Visual Studio Code. You'll just need to install it using the command prompt of your computer and make sure it's on the administrator. And now let's try to create a project. So now if you want a more specific code or more advanced kind of animation using React applying to your Framer, you can just ask any AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Now in order to edit the element we've seen on the React server, go to your computer and search for the my-app file and open it using the Visual Studio Code, and then under the src locate the app.js file. So you'll see here the code for these elements. Now in order to change the element from the React server, go back to your Visual Studio Code, and in there you can edit it. You can put any animation you'd want to put in it. You can use the Framer Motion. You can integrate it with React. But in this case, I'm going to use an AI tools to help me to create a specific code for that. Now that I have a copy code from ChatGPT, I can now copy and paste it to my app.js file. So in here, you can apply any idea you want to apply in here, as long it's a JavaScript. As you notice, the elements a while ago changed to this welcome to Framer Motion with React. That's because I removed the syntax for elements. And if you preferred, like I said, to put a Framer Motion with your React project, you can just apply it in here, the syntax you have or the idea you have in it. You can ask ChatGPT if you don't know how, or if you don't have any that kind of expanded background about React and Framer Motion. You can ask help for any AI tools like I said, ChatGPT and Gemini. And that's it. You can apply the Framer Motion code freely with your React project, because on the first part of this video we've already installed the Framer on your computer. And that's it. That's how you use Framer Motion with React. I hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.